Welcome back to my channel for another guide to eco-friendly cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to leave a comment. This time around, we are taking a look at how to clean the microwave. You can make your microwave a better place by following the cleaning tips in this video. Green cleaning the microwave. The microwave is a hard-working appliance which often falls victim to splatters and grease accumulation. In order to clean it, you don't need to use fancy products. Just some lemon juice. That's right. Lemon juice is a fantastic way to clean the microwave oven, and it is so easy. Wow! Here is what you should do. Fill half a microwave-safe bowl with water. Add 5-6 tablespoons lemon juice. Microwave the mix for 5 minutes. Keep the bowl in the oven for 5 minutes after it's done. Wipe with a clean bamboo fiber cloth. Yes, it's clean. As you can see, this method features no harmful chemicals, as it only relies on the cleaning power of lemon. What could be simpler than this? Don't forget to share the video with your friends on the social media and to leave your thoughts in the comments below.